Hello everybody, welcome to jurycentral.com online classes for law exams. So today I will be dealing with you the previous year solved question paper of BHU LLM of the year 2016. So I have already discussed the previous year question paper of 2019, 18 and 17 as well. You would find the same in the I button attached over this video. You may also check the playlist section of the channel to watch more such informative video. Before starting this session, I would request all of you to kindly like, share, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. If you do not want to miss any updates and if you do not want to hamper your preparations, do subscribe to the channel. So we are going to deal with you the question paper of 2016. So watch the video till the end and let us start. So this is a regular LLM course, the question paper of regular LLM. Let us see the questions. So question number 1, Leviathan is written by, so it is written by option number 1 Hobbes. So these answers are based on my personal research and knowledge, and if you want to add anything extra you may add so in the comment section below. Question number 2, which of the following juries has accepted the minimum content of morality in law? This is option number 4 Hart. Question number 3, who is said to be the Darwinian before the Darwin? This is option number 2 Savigny. 4, encumbrance is an example of this option number 1 right in realina. Question number 5, the correlative of power is liability. Question number 6, time but dead is an example of 2 imperfect right. 7, who said that certainty in law is myth? This is option number 1 Frank. Question number 8, which theory of corporate personality is also known as the symbolic theory? This is option number 1 bracket theory. Question number 9, in which of the following case Supreme Court has decided that Guru Granth Sahib is a legal person? This is option number 1 Shiromani Gurudwara Prabandhak Committee versus Somnath Das. Question number 10, the concept of just tertia is related to option number 2 possession. Who said that jurisprudence is lawyers' extroversion? This is option number 3 Julius Stone. Question number 12, which of the following statement is incorrect? This is option number 3 corporations are not legal person. 13, will theory is associated with this option number 1 right. 14, the decision which is given in ignorance of law and statute is known as option number 2 per inturium. Question number 15, he said he had his own gospel, that of utility, and he wished to waste every law to see if it led to the greatest happiness of the greatest number. Who of the following was he? He was option number 3 Bentham. 16, Vinogradov propagates the philosophy of which of the following schools? Option number 2 historical school. Question number 17, the law is quest of itself is an important literature of jurisprudence. Who of the following is related to it? This is option number 4 Lon L. Fuller. Question number 18, the foundation of law is not the right of the individual but the essential requirements of community life. Law arises because men live together and can only live together. Who of the following has expressed this view? This is option number 3 Doug Witt. Question number 19, which of the following is not an element of a legal right? This is option number 3 the person to protect right. Question number 20, Hofield is known for his contribution to jural postulates relating to option number 2 rights and duties. Question number 21, the maximum interval between the 2 sessions of each houses of parliament is option number 4 6 months. 22, a resolution for the revocation of proclamation of national emergency may be moved by option number 3 1/10 of the total member of the House of People. 23, the question of disqualification of the Speaker of House of People on the ground of defection is determined by option number 3 a member elected by House of People. Question number 24, prevention of cruelty to animals is the subject item of option number 3 concurrent list. Question number 25, Article 15 Clause 5 is added to the Constitution by this option number 3 93rd Amendment. 26, in which of the following case Supreme Court has declared the section 66A of the IT Act 2000 as unconstitutional? This is option number 2 Shreya Shingal versus Union of India. Question number 27, under which of the following article President is empowered to nominate 2 Anglo-Indian in House of People? This is article 331 option number 4. 28, the preamble of the Constitution has been amended. It has been amended only once. Option number 1. 29, which of the following directive principle of state policy is partially connected into fundamental right under Article 21A. This is option number 2, Article 45. 30. Match the correct option. So the correct option is option number 3. Vote on account is given under Article 116. Question number 31. In which of the following cases it was hold that the preamble of the Constitution is a key to open the mind of the makers of the Constitution, which may show the general purpose for which they made the Constitution? This is option number 2, Ray Bradbury. Question number 32. Who of the following is empowered to alter the name of any state? This is option number 3, Parliament. 33. The whole object of Part 3 of the Constitution is to provide protection for the freedoms and rights mentioned there is against arbitrary invasion by the state. Who of the following has made this observation? This is option number 3, Patanjali Shastri. Question number 34. In which of the following cases it was held that no citizen can waive fundamental right? Option number 2, Basheshwar Nath versus CIT. Question number 35. By which of the following amendments Article 368 was given a new heading, Power of Parliament to amend the Constitution and procedure therefore? This is option number 2, 24. 36. By which of the following the British Parliament gave to the people of India a real living representation in the Legislative Council? This is option number 2, Indian Council Act 1909. 37. Who of the following describe the reforms of 1919 as dissatisfying, disappointing and a sun without morning? This is option number 2, Lokmanya Tilak. Question number 38. In which of the following courts election of a person to Lok Sabha can be challenged? This is option number 3, High Court. Question number 39. Under which of the following provisions the governor of a state can grant pardon to an accused person? This is option number 2, Article 161. 40. The question of the price doesn't amount to an offer. In which of the following case this view was held? This is option number 2, Harvey versus Fassi. 41. In order that an offer after acceptance can result in a valid contract, it is necessary that the offer should be made with an intention to create legal relationship. In which of the following cases this view was expressed? This is expressed option number 4, Harvey versus Fassi. 42. Which of the following is not the right of a bailee? This is option number 3, right to sell the goods bailed. Question number 43. Hadley versus Baxendale is a leading authority on which of the following subject? This is option number 3, remedies for breach of contract. Question number 44. In which of the following cases surety is not discharged from his liability? This is option number 2, death of the debtor. Question number 45. Which of the following is not a void agreement? This is option number 3, agreement affected by undue influence. Question number 46. Who of the following cannot make pledge of goods? This is option number 3, a person in possession under void contract. 47. Which of the following provisions of the Contract Act deals with vicarious liability of the principal? This is option number 1, section 227. 48. When a person making a false statement believes the statement to be true and doesn't intend to mislead to the other party to the contract, it is known as option number 1, mistake. Question number 49. The issue in Paradigm versus Jain was, this option number 3, frustration. 50. All innocent promises collateral to the main illegal promise contained in a contract will be regarded as, this option number 4, illegal. Question number 51. Which one of the following is a contract? This option number 2, an undertaking in writing duly signed to pay the time-barred debt. So this is one contract which is given under section 25 of Contract Act. 52. C. Let a music hall to act for a series of music concerts for certain days. The hall was completely destroyed by fire before the scheduled date of concert. In this case, so option number 3, the contract is discharged by impossibility of performance, which is given under section 56 of Contract Act. 53. Which of the following statement is correct? Catalog is an invitation to offer. For 54. A agrees with B to discover treasure by magic. This is option number 3. The agreement is void because it is an agreement to do an impossible act. Question number 55. When the parties to the contract agree to substitute the existing contract with a new contract, it is called option number 3, novation of contract. 56. If a person who finds goods belonging to another takes him into his custody, then he, option number 4, is subject to the same responsibility as a bailee. Question number 57. Which one of the following pairs doesn't match? This is option number 1, exemplary damages to set an example. No, this is not true. Question number 58. A offers to sell his car to be rupees 50,000. B agrees to buy the car offering rupees 45,000. The reply of B amounts to, this is option number 2, counter offer. Question number 59. Where law prescribes a contract must be in writing, it is necessary that it must be in writing. Non-fulfillment of the contract renders it, option number 3, unforeseeable. Question number 60, injustice would manifest itself if a person has held responsible for all consequences of his act, therefore he is responsible only for consequences, not too remote. Question number 61, which of the following pairs do not match? This is absolute liability, Rylance versus Fletcher, because Rylance versus Fletcher deals with the concept of strict liability. Question number 62, who is the propounder of pigeonhole theory? This is option number 1, Salmond. Question number 63, respondent superior means option number 4, master is vicariously liable. 64, which of the following is not an example of vicarious liability? This is option number 4, liability of the parents for the tort of the children. Question number 65, Supreme Court decision in MC Mehta versus Union of India, commonly known as oleum gas leak case, is related to, this is option number 1, absolute liability. 66, mental condition of the wrongdoer is option number 2, not relevant in tortious liability. Question number 67, the rule that joint tortfeasors are jointly and severally liable means that option number 3, each is liable as if the act were done by each alone. Question number 68, which one of the following is not a wrong against a person? So this is option number 2, malicious prosecution. 69, which article of the Constitution of India provides for tortious liability of state? This is option number 2, article 300. 70, which one of the following cases is not related with constitutional tort? This is option number 3, Vishakha versus State of Rajasthan. Question number 71, the law of torts is fashioned as an instrument for making people adhere to standards of reasonable behavior, respects the rights and interests of one another. So I have few reservations, because according to me this statement has been made by Salmond, this according to me, but I have certain reservations about the right answer, so this is the reason why I have not chosen the right answer. But I think the option will be option number 3, Salmond. Then 72, tortious liability arises from the breach of a duty primarily fixed by law. This duty is towards persons generally, and its breach is redressable by an action for unliquidated damages. Who among the following has given this definition of tort? So this definition of tort has been given by option number 2, Winfield. Question number 73, where people combine for the purpose of protection of their legitimate interests, they would not be liable even if damage is caused to another person. In which of the following cases this principle was later? This option number B, Ashby versus White, which also deals with the maxim injuria sine damno. 74, in which of the following cases the occupier of a premises is not liable for a tort committed against a trespasser? This is option number 2, the occupier has taken the step to avoid endangering any person. Question number 75, there is no liability for a misstatement which was not dishonest. In which of the following cases this principle was laid down? This is option number 3, Dairy versus Pig. 76, which of the following is not defense to an action of libel? This is option number 3, social practice. Question number 77, by which of the following amendments section 498A was introduced in the Indian Penal Code? This is option number 2, Criminal Law Amendment Act 1983. 78, which of the following provision deals with the doctrine of transferred notice? This is option number 1, section 300 of Transfer of Property Act. Question number 79, A draws a picture of B running away with C's watch, intending it to be believed that B stole C's watch. Which of the following offences A may be said to have committed? This is option number 3, defamation. 80, when a criminal act is done by several persons in furtherance of a common intention of all, each of such person is liable. This is option number 2, as if the whole of the act is done by him alone. So this is the definition of joint liability, section 34. Common intention, 81, use of violence by a member of an assembly of 5 or more persons in furtherance of common object will constitute option number 4, unlawful assembly. 82, A has broken 2 teeth of B. A has committed the offence of option number 1, grievous hurt. 83, A instigates B to murder C, who refuses to do so. A is guilty of option number 2, abetment to commit murder. Question number 84, A intending to murder B purchases poison and mixes the same with a glass of water. He gives the glass to bearer to serve B. The bearer, while approaching B, loses balance and the glass drops out of his plate. Which one of the following statement is correct in this respect? This option number 2, A has committed the offence of attempt to commit culpable homicide. 85. Which of the following case is not related to criminal attempt? This is option number 4. State of Rajasthan versus Om Prakash. Question number 86. The right of private defense of property extend to causing of death when the offence apprehended is option number 2. Dacoity. 87. In which of the following case Supreme Court has struck down Section 303 of the Indian Penal Code as unconstitutional? This is option number 4. Mithu versus State of Punjab. Question number 88. Assault in order to outrage the modesty of a woman is punishable under this option number 2, Section 354 of IPC. 89. McNaughton's rule is associated with option number 1, insanity. 90. Which of the following is not an essential of theft? This is option number 1, immovable property. 91. Which of the following is not a valuable security? This is option number 1, a postal receipt for an insured parcel. 92. When two or more persons by fighting in a public place disturb the public peace, it is called option number 3, afraid. 93. Which of the following section of IPC is based on the maxim determinants non-curate lex? This is option number 3, section 95, also known as de minimis non-curate lex. 94. Proximity rule is related with, this not associated with any of the above. So the correct option is option number 4, none of this. Question number 95. Under Indian Penal Code, which of the following is not an example of grievous hurt? This is option number 4, any hurt which causes the sufferer to be during space of 15 days in severe bodily pain. 96. A is riding in a palanquin. B intending to rob A seizes a pole and stop the palanquin. A has committed the offence of option number 2, criminal force. Question number 97. On which date the Environment Protection Day is celebrated? Option number 4, this is 5th of June. Question number 98. In which of the following case Supreme Court has evolved the principle of absolute liability? This option number 2, MC Mehta versus Union of India. 99. How many principles were recognized in Rio Declaration? This is option number 4, 27 principles. Question number 100. Which of the following headed the World Commission on Environment and Development? This has been headed by G.H. Brundtland, and this commission also known as Brundtland Report. 101. In which of the following cities the Convention for the Protection of Ozone Layer is held? This is option number 2, New York. Question number 102. Which of the following color is not used in preparing the movement document to be used for transportation of hazardous wastes within the country? This is option number 2, green. Question number 103. Which of the following judge of the Supreme Court of India is not known for not compromising on environmental issues? This is option number 1, Mr. Justice P.N. Bhagwati. 104. The second United Nations Conference on Human Settlement, also known as Habitat 2, was held in which of the following cities? This is option number 2, Istanbul. 105. One Mahotsav is the outcome of the forest policy of the year. So according to me, the question is not, the options are not right. The correct option will be 1950. So One Mahotsav is the outcome for the forest policy of the year 1950. So the nearby answer would be 1952, but I would not suggest that to choose so. Question number 106. The scheme of social forestry was introduced during which of the following 5-year plan? This is option number 4, 7th. 107. The budget of United Nations is approved by option number 2, General Assembly. 108. Which of the following is not a specialized agency of United Nations? This is option number 2, United Nations Child Fund. 109. Who can request International Court of Justice to give an advisory opinion on any legal question? This is option number 3, General Assembly of the United Nations. Question number 110. Under article of UN Charter, Security Council has the power to use force against it. This is article 42. 111. Which of the following is not a member of SAARC? This is option number 1, Singapore. 112. Which article of UN Charter relates to domestic jurisdiction? This is option number 1, article 2, clause 7. 113. Which of the following organization deals with refugees? This is option number 2, UNHCR. 114. Which of the following can request International Court of Justice to give an advisory opinion? This is option number 2, General Assembly. 115. In India, treaty making is option number 1, legislative only. Question number Question number 116. The Protection of Human Rights in India was enacted in the year option number 1, 1993. Just a second. So in India, treaty making is actually legislative as well as executive act. This will be option number 4, not option number 1. Question number 117. Helsinki Declaration 1964 is concerned with human experimentality. 116. The Protection of Human Rights Act in India was enacted in the year option number 1, 1993. 118. The UN Subcommission on the Prevention of Discrimination and Protection of Minorities was established in 1947 by, so it was established by option number 3, Commission of Human Rights. 119. International Women's Day celebrated on option number 2, 8th of March. 120. Which one of the following is not an NGO campaigning for human rights? This is option number 2, World Watch. 121. Transgender theory belongs to option number 2, part modern feminism. 122. Which of the following is not a millennium development goal? Actually, this question is wrong because all of the options is a part of millennial development goal. Question number 123. The Commission on the Status of Women functions under the control of this option number 3, Economic and Social Council. 124. In which of the following cases intervention in the affairs of another state is not justifiable? This option number 2, protect the government of the other state. Question number 125. Which of the following section of the Indian Evidence Act is related with the plea of alibi? This is option number 1, section 11. 126. Queen versus Abdullah is related with option number 4, dying declaration. 127. Hostile witness is defined in option number 1, section 154 of Evidence Act. Question number 128. Which of the following is in correct order? This is option number 1. First come examination in chief, then comes cross examination, and after then re-examination. Question number 129. Match the correct option. So here just a second. Okay, so by mistake I have forgotten to choose the correct option. One second. Judicial notice 87, pro note admission 48. So according to me, none of the above options are correct because judicial notice is not given in section 87, accomplice is not defined under 132, and pre-note document is also not under section 75. This is the reason why I have not chosen any correct options, because according to me the answer is the question is wrong. So this is the reason why I have not chosen any answer. 130. Warrant case means case relating to an offence punishable with, this is option number 3, more than 2 years of imprisonment. Question number 131. Which of the following section of CRPC provides for confirmation by the High Court of an order of death sentence given by Sessions Court? This is option number 1, section 366. 132. The maximum period for which magistrate may send the arrested person in police custody is option number 2, 15 days. 133. Under which section of CRPC inherent power can be exercised by the High Court? This is option number 1, section 482. Question number 134. Application for anticipatory bail may be made before, this is option number 4, both A and B, Sessions Court as well as High Court. Question number 135. The procedure for summary trial is provided in the following section of CRPC. This is option number 3, section 260 to 265 deals with summary trial. 136. The power of Supreme Court to transfer cases and appeals from one High Court to another High Court can be exercised on an application by which of the following? This is option number 2, Attorney General of India. Question number 137. Which of the following section of CRPC is related with the legal aid to accused at state expense? This is option number 1, section 304. 138. The Smriti law doesn't as a whole represent a set of rules ever actually administered in Hindustan. It is in great part an ideal picture of that which in view of the Brahmins ought to be the law. Which of the following has made this observation? This is option number 1, J.D. Main. Question number 139. Who of the following is the author of the famous work Mitakshara? This is option number 3, Vijneshwara. 140. Jimutta Vahana is known for his work. Option number 3, Daya Bhaga. 141. Lakshmindra Tirtha Swami versus Commissioner HRD deals with which of the following subject? This is option number 3, charitable endowment. 142. Which of the following is not a Hindu as defined in the Hindu Marriage Act 1955? This is option number 3, child brought up as a Hindu, both of whose parents are unknown. 143. The dissolution of Muslim Marriage Act 1939 was enacted to facilitate the dissolution of marriage of option number 2, a woman married under Muslim law. Question number 144. Which of the following is not a school of Muslim Sunni law? This is option number 2, Mutazilas. Question number 145. A Mohammedan cannot by will dispose of, this is option number 2, more than 1/3 of the surplus of his estate. 146. What will be the effect where a Sunni woman contracts marriage with a Shia male? This is option number 1, she becomes subject to Shia law. 147. In Muslim law, hizanat relate to, this is option number 1, mother's custody of child. Question number 148. A Muslim marriage with a non-kitabiya, the marriage is actually option number 1, Shahi. Question number 149. The judgment of the International Court of Justice is to be signed, this is option number 1, by the President and Registrar of the Court. Question number 150. The provisions relating to protection and improvement of environment and safeguarding of forest and wildlife are introduced in the Constitution of India by which of the following amendments of the Constitution? This is option number 2, 42nd. So with this, our session for today has come to an end. So these answers are totally suggestive in nature. If you want to add something, you can add so in the comment section below. And do not forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Your subscription matters the most to us because that motivates us to bring more such videos before you. I am posting every day a new informative video. So make sure you subscribe to the channel so that you get all such informations at free of cost. So with this note, I am signing off. So I will be meeting you in the next session with new questions. So till then, goodbye.